Good morning everybody. Today I'm going out on the bike, but first it's got to go in for a service. And for once in my life, I've got my nails done, which is lovely. I need to get ready. I need to do something with this face of mine. I've had an allergic reaction to one of my moisturisers, so it is a bit red and sore. So I'm going to see if I can make myself look presentable. I have got my hair in two little braids just because I'm going to have the helmet on, so there's no point in washing it and styling it when I'm going to have my helmet on for most of the time. I honestly do not know what to put on, so I'm going to do a bit of everything. I think a bit of what I normally do and then just spruce it up a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Prep and Perfect Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I think this is a Bobbi Brown dupe, but this is the Primark version. I quite like this. It is really moisturising. This isn't the one I had an allergic reaction to, by the way. This is a different one. So that's one cheek done. I am desperate. Like, I am trying to find the money to get a DJI Osmo Action 5. I really want the Action 5 so then I can put it on my camera and then drive around, well, not drive around, ride around, and you guys can see what I'm up to. I'd love that, because tomorrow I'm going to Southport, which is going to be awesome. So that's what this vlog is going to be. It's going to be today, going out. Don't know where I'm going to go out, but all I know is that I need to go and take my bike in for a service in an hour. So I need to be on the bike driving there in an hour. So yeah, I've got my face on. Can you see that it's tacky? I'm feeling like glowy elf today. Not a glowy elf, just glowy elf in general, because it needs using up. The face is on. I look really shiny. I'm not going to do any liquids today other than my actual foundation, so I'm going to put some Maybelline Fit Me powder on. Oh, the top of this is really dirty, but never mind. Right, I need to put some bronzer on. I'm going to go in with the Buttermelt blush. Buttermelt bronzer, not blush. This is the bronzer. This is in number 3, Deserve Butter, which is like Deserve Better, but you know. I have got new lights coming because this one is acting up. Like, sometimes it just randomly turns off, and I think the cable's broke. I'm going to make up for saying Buttermelt blush by actually using a Buttermelt blush. I'm going to use this one in Butter Together. It's more of a Barbie pink, because the other one I've got is like a reddy pink, like a really dark pink. So I'm going to use this one. Let me show you this puppy. Look at her. Isn't she cute? Just sat there in the sun. There we go. Let's go downstairs. Come on, Luna. Good girl. Go on then. Don't. I also got myself a service book for my bike because it didn't have one. But then I wrote that the MOT was in 2028. Didn't realise it's a 73 plate, so it's actually going to need an MOT this year. So it was registered in December, so I think I'll go for an MOT in November. But that's ages away yet, so no panic, no worry there. I'm going to call it here, and then I might take the camera, I might not, but I can always film on my phone the clips of where I'm getting it serviced if need to be. So hey guys, so I'm currently getting my bike serviced. Danny is doing it for me. He's looking after her, and I've got some new stretchers in. Sorry, I'll put my vape away. I got some new stretchers in that kind of look like teardrops, or if you want, they kind of look like egg-shaped, which is cool. I like that. So yeah, he's done the oil, he's done the air filter, he's done a new spark plug. He's now sorting the chain out because it's loose. So, and then after about 10 minutes, I'll be allowed to use it. Hey guys, I'm now back from the bike service. I then went to the lake for a little bit. I don't think I filmed any of that. But that was nice. I had just a pint of Coke and then talked to a couple of people. A couple of people I knew showed up, so I talked to them. And then I've come home. My hair is a mess because, you know, helmet hair. But I do have the Hoover out ready to do some hoovering in a minute. So I'm going to do some hoovering and then I'm going to mop. I'm going to do some mundane chores around the house. And then I don't know what else I'll do. Hey guys, welcome back. I have now sorted my front room out. Let me show you. Good. I know it's got lines on it, but that's fine. And I've mopped. I've sorted the couch out now as well. And yeah. Nice room, all sorted. I've even put my cactus in the front window instead of the back window. The house is all sorted now and I don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day, to be honest. I didn't realise I was so zoomed in then. I think it's only like 3 o'clock. Let's have a look. It is 4 o'clock, sorry. So it's still really sunny outside. Like, look, it's gorgeous. I think I'll just put a bit more Benidorm on and just sit and watch telly for a bit until Ted, my boyfriend's here. But that's someone's phone dying on Live 360. I'm currently charging my headset for tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go and charge my little camera. And I just really wish I had the DJI Action or some way I could put this on my bike without it breaking. But it'll break, so I'm not going to do that. This also needs charging, so I better charge it. But for now, I'm going to edit this video and I'll see you all later, I guess, or tomorrow, maybe. See ya. Good morning, everybody. It's me. I'm going on a bike ride today and I'm going to Southport, which is like on the same edge as Blackpool. So I am going, never eat shredded wheat. I'm going west from where I live and it's probably going to be about 4-hour ride out, 2 hours-ish there, 2 hours-ish back, and then however long we actually stay there. So it's going to be a really good one, I hope. Yesterday it was sunny, it was bright, it was really nice. Today is a little bit less sunny. It's cloudy, we've got overcast, it's a bit gloomy. It feels a little bit colder this morning as well, so I have put a long sleeve on. Yesterday I was out in just a vest, but yes, I am really excited. It is now 9 o'clock, I believe, and we are meeting for 5:30, so I'm going to quickly have a bowl of cereal, ride over there. Hopefully it'll only take me like 15 minutes to get there, and then yeah, and then stands up at 10, so I need to go. I have got an hour until they set off, but I still want to be there at 5:30 when they said to be there for. So yes, I have got a lip stain on right now, so I need to rub that off, then have my breakfast. I'll take a Kit Kat Crunchy with me because you never know. So 1 minute, I will turn the camera around and I'll show you what the weather's like. It's cloudy. Where's the sun? It's just cloud, which is not good enough. Nope. I want it nice and sunny again. But then to be fair, being on the bike while it's really sunny would probably be quite hot. So yeah. Oh, my leg's hurting already. We've not even set off yet. I don't think anyone's going to want to watch me eat my cereal, so I will catch up with you in a bit. I'm here and I'm ready to go. We're just waiting for everybody else to come and then we'll go. So just stopped Stopped off for a minute. We just went over a really nice blue bridge. Hopefully I can put the clip in because I filmed it on my little camera and my fringe keeps falling out my hair and it's doing my head in because I've got my hair in a plait, but it just keeps falling out no matter what I do. But we're having a good time, I wobbled a little bit, but that's because of a pothole. But everything is going smooth and... Sorry, this like a dual carriageway there. We're by the sea for all the seagulls.
Tell them to slow down a bit.
Stopped off again, but then we're gonna go back soon. Oh, I missed it! Do it again!
We're about 50 minutes.
Got ya!
Breathe in. Where are we?
Prettiest bike is. Wow, look how small the indicators are. I'm home, I'm in my comfies, I've had a great day. I've honestly had a really good day, but I'm gonna call this the end of the vlog now. So I'll see you all in the next one. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and see you all. Bye.